Now let's talk about trends. Martin Ford, in his book Rise of the Machines, identified a very important trend that provides further clarity on the process of commodification and replacement of humans in creative industries. This trend has two important aspects. The obvious one is that jobs created via offshoring are temporary. They represent only a transitional step towards automation. The second aspect, though, is that while not ready to take on humans fully in some industries, algorithms enable the offshoring of the relevant jobs through a so-called automation funnel. McAfee and Brynjolfsson looked at the tasks that have been offshored within the previous 2 years. They discovered that those tasks were routine, well-structured tasks that were the easiest to automate. They concluded, I quote, "In other words, offshoring is often one-way station on the road to automation." As for the profession of copywriter, this process has already started. If you consider the variety of platforms and outsourcing services offering copywriter at far lower costs as compared to employing copywriters directly. For example, you can now use platforms like Word Agents to order quality articles, blogs, web pages, or email templates at a significantly lower cost than when the same copywriters were contracted directly. In fact, as a client, you are not aware that many digital marketing agencies use platforms such as Word Agents for outsourcing content you are paying premium fees for. We discuss all the tools and platforms we use at Pufferr in our course on tools, but for the moment it's important for content writers to understand that their jobs are already being in the so-called automation funnel. They are already being commodified by outsourcing services like Word Agents. But they should not stay comfortable and stubbornly assume that things will continue the way they are either. Outsourcing is nothing else than one step closer to the full automation of content production. Once again, we are not yet there, but as you learn throughout this course, an entire war is being fought between data companies like Google, Microsoft, AWS, IBM and others. And the prize is nothing else than complete AI capability. We are in the final 4 minutes of the stadium being filled in with water. So, as a content writer, you have a choice. Accept the inevitable and pivot. Or don't accept it, who knows, you may be lucky, right? My advice is go with the first option. Look, the purpose of this course is not to describe technologies and tools in detail. In reality, tools evolve, change and adapt in a world where technology changes on a daily basis. My aim is to get you up to speed with the trends. By understanding what data and technology companies work on and their ultimate goals, you are in a significantly better position to adapt and evolve your skills, mindset, career. The truth is this, the end goal does not change, it's AI capability. The means of achieving that goal, whether tools or technology, evolve all the time. So don't focus on the means, just focus on the end goal and adapt. We will conclude this section in the next session. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.